OBS Ford truck kits from New Vintage USA are designed to fit in the factory location, upgrading the style and function of your dash. Available for 87 and 91 and 92 to 96, they bolt right in and offer the flexibility of positioning the gauges how you see fit and full adjustability for a custom layout. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern engines driven by an OE or aftermarket PCM. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there should be a kit that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED lighting make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as a leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something special for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE, military, and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few things that push the performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring time by 75%, saving time and dramatically decreasing installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available, even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as from the front. Simplify things even further by using our Snap-Adapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into the OE harness plug. All of our OBS Ford truck kits are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock dash, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.